The Paris Climate Agreement was adopted in 2015. Its goal, to limit global warming to just 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. For the first time, a binding agreement brought the nations of the world together for a common cause, to combat climate change. By reducing global emissions by over 50% by the year 2030 and working towards carbon neutrality by 2050. How will this be accomplished? In part, by reducing energy consumption and energy-related emissions in the building sector. The buildings and construction sector contributes nearly 40% of all energy use and carbon emissions globally. New building construction is on the rise, and existing buildings are leaky and inefficient. The IEA projects that building floor area will increase from just over 200 billion square meters in 2015 to 415 billion square meters by 2050. More than 50% of the world's new buildings are constructed in Asia every year. Southeast Asia and India are currently experiencing one of the fastest growth rates in new buildings globally. This new construction boom and others like it represent both a risk and an opportunity. How can we ensure that new buildings will deliver economic, environmental, and societal benefits and keep us on track to limit global warming? What about existing buildings? Decarbonizing the global building sector is one of the cheapest, most promising solutions to this problem. Using building codes and complementary policies, we can drive the design, construction, and operation of zero greenhouse gas emission buildings. We can reduce energy demand while contributing to meeting other key sustainable development goals like alleviating poverty, creating energy security, and improving employment. Thousands of low-emissions buildings already exist, but we need millions more. Building energy codes increase efficiency and reduce energy needs. Studies show that energy and carbon savings of 80 to 90% could be realized through better building designs that work with the environment and the use of efficient appliances, water, lighting, and cooling systems. This, matched with renewable energy supply, will see a decarbonized building stock. Yet, 2/3 of countries do not have building energy codes. Few of those countries require mandatory compliance, nor extend the scope of coverage to residential buildings. We must change this if we want buildings to become part of the solution to the climate crisis. The challenge is to limit global warming to just 1.5 degrees Celsius. Fully decarbonizing the world's buildings by 2050 is critical to meeting this goal. And it can be done with policy reform. Find out how.